it's Posh here, back at it again with another video of my shenanigans. Today we're gonna be bleaching my bangs because, you know, it's about that time that I bleach my bangs again. They're looking a little dingy, if I might say. It's pretty well known that bleaching for curly hair usually is not recommended. However, I do take certain precautions when it comes to bleaching my hair. I've gotten a lot of questions about how I bleach my hair and how I bleach my bangs. I don't really want to commit completely to my whole head unless I'm like balling with money, because let's be real, curly hair is expensive to upkeep, and also if you literally bleach your entire head. And I'm not trying to like cut all my hair off also if it gets damaged, because I'd be very upset. Yeah. I was obsessed with face framing highlights. You know, I really like that sun-kissed look, even when it's winter, whatever. I really enjoyed that, so I learned how to like bleach my own hair pretty much. And you know, I've been doing it for about 2 years, and I think I've gotten pretty good results. My hair hasn't really been in a bad state because of the bleaching. If you guys keep watching, I'll show you exactly how I bleach my hair. I'm not a professional, therefore don't expect any professional, you know what I'm trying to say. If you're here looking for some professional advice, you're in the wrong place. But if you're looking for a bargain, this is the right video for you. We're gonna do a couple steps, and I'm just gonna do it, pretty much just gonna do it step by step. So I'll be using the L'Oreal cream or developer. I forgot the word, but I use it all the time. I don't know why. Anyway, back to what I'm saying. So I'm using the L'Oreal developer. It's in volume 30. I just apply this a little bit. I got this at any drugstore. This was like $2.50. No big deal, you know. Not trying to splurge on this. Second thing I will be using to mix a developer with is this L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach Packet. There's no specific reason why I chose this one in particular. I just like this brand. I like the way L'Oreal like bleaches my hair, and also I kind of just wanted, you know, some bleaching powder because I didn't want to buy like a whole bleaching case. I'm only bleaching my bangs, you know. So yeah, this is only like $3.50, so good bargain as well. And after I bleach my bangs, I'm going to lather my bleached ends with shimmer lights. I'm sure if anyone has bleached their hair, they definitely know what shimmer lights is. If you don't know, I pretty much use this as a toner. Since it's purple, when you bleach your hair from dark to light, naturally your hair is gonna look a little bronze or like kind of orangey, and that's not really like the look that I want to go for. I like more for like it to look actually blonde or ashy. It's definitely really helpful when you bleach your hair blonde. It definitely makes it look actually real, like it's natural, because I hate that bronze look on me. I just like, that's where we're at right now, and I just don't like it. And then I'm gonna go in with the Argan Oil Morocco hair mask. I really like the way this one smells, if I'm gonna be fairly honest. It makes my hair really soft after, and it's also really moisturizing. So I'm not really picky with the hair mask. Unfortunately, I actually forgot to bring my gloves, because everyone knows like when you bleach your hair and you don't have like gloves, your skin just like looks really weird. It's also really unhealthy to bleach your hair without using gloves and just touching it. Please don't do that. I don't recommend that. However, I am gonna look like a complete weirdo because I will be using a plastic bag to put it on my hair. Very cute, very classy, thanks. Then after everything, I'm gonna cut my bangs, because when you bleach your hair is going to be a little bit weaker than it was before, and it's gonna be a little like, you know, what's the elastic feeling, like it's gonna like, and that's when you know that you have to cut it because it's unhealthy. It's dead at that point. Your hair is dead. Sorry, RIP. You have to cut off those loose ends. I'm gonna go around it's not just gonna be my bang part, but it's mostly my bang parts that I usually bleach just because they're the easiest to see, and I also just don't want to pay $300 for highlights I can do at home. I think that's reasonable. So we're gonna get started.
Like, girl, you so fine. Girl, you rockin' like she hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my heart, oh. Full force and she got me like I be like, baby, why you so fine? Got to make you mine. So hard to find. They be like, oh, how'd you do the thing? The way that you do it and she ain't even show nothing. She be walking around so confident, so heaven sent. I think she was meant to knock them daylight. Like, girl, you so fine. Girl, you rockin' like
right, and it's a wrap. So we're done. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and super cheap. I never really want to go like blonde on my bangs. I usually just like them to look like this, where it just looks like the sun did it. So I hope you guys really like this video. Please like and subscribe. It will definitely make me want to create more content if I know that people are actually enjoying my videos. Sounds legit, Nif. If you guys have any content that you guys want to see me create, please let me know. I'm always open to ideas because I want you guys to enjoy your experience watching my video. You know, I'm just gonna wait for my hair to dry, but that's about it. I don't have a diffuser, but I will be purchasing one. I really want to try it out. Maybe that could be like, you know, a video that I could do. Maybe I'll do something with that. So we'll see in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please keep supporting, and thank you to my subscribers, my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Share this video if you really liked it. Also follow my social media accounts if you want. You should though. Hey guys, so just a quick update with my hair because I didn't really get to show you guys what it looked like because it was still wet, but this is what it looks like. A little bit more dry. Put some jojoba oil up in here. You know, I'm trying to get them ends moisturized. We don't want them dried out. Not a look, but yeah. So this is it. Yeah, I even took off my makeup.